Hello, Kimchi. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, you're fine. So your mom told me that we have to move to the new materials. So we are going, I will be asking permission. You will be using the movers now. Okay? We are using movers materials now. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that is what I will for a while I have to okay. So I will try the mover materials for you, okay? For a while teacher is here. Okay. Okay. So we have here the movers materials because your mom told me and told Honghua the cute sing. Okay. Okay, so we are now having our movers. Okay. So, okay. So we have here in unit 1, let us have this watch us, we're moving. Okay. So look at this one. Okay, here. Can you see the picture, Chi? Can you see the picture?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher. What have you seen in the picture?
I see
I
the
can see again.
I can see the the boys,
The children.
the children. I
Okay. I can see the children are doing different actions. Again, I,
I can see the child
the children
the children
doing
doing
action.
action.
Very good. Okay. I can see the children doing action. Here. This one, look at it. Skate. Jumped. Skip. Hop. Okay. So these words are verbs. They are action words. Again, skate, jump, skip, and hop. They are action words. You know what is action words? Action words. Okay, here, look at teacher. This one, action words, it is verb. Okay, we call it action word. We call it as verb. Okay, again,
Yeah.
action word, we call it as what? Verb.
Verb.
Okay, very good. Verb. Action word is verb.
Verb.
Okay, very good. Now, here, look at this one. Okay, what do you think is this? What action is this? What is this? What action is this? This one.
I'm
They are? She is?
she is climbing.
Climbing. Very good. Climbing, teacher. How about this one? What action is this?
They are
Look at the boys and the girls. They are
they are
go Chi.
yeah, they are
They are
dancing.
very good. They are dancing. Okay, next. How about this one? She
Is running.
She is running. Very good. Very good, Chi. Very good. Okay. Here. Okay. Next one here. We will not do this one. We will not listen and draw the lines. We will not do this. Let's move here to the next. Okay. So I will just ask you, only ask, but we will not draw the lines. We will not do the listening. Where are these children? Where are these children?
These children are in the park.
Okay, the children are in the park or in the playground. Okay, very good. Very good. Next, how many children can you see? How many children can you see?
I can see
How many children can you see?
9 children.
Okay, I can see 9 children. Children only. Don't put letter S. No S. Okay, again. How many children can you see?
I can see 9 children.
Very good. I can see 9 children. Can you see any grown-ups too? Grown-up means old person. Can you see any grown-ups too? Okay, can you see grown-ups? Yes or no? Look at in the picture. You look at in the picture, Chi.
No, I can't.
No, I can't, teacher. But there is this one. This is grown up. This is a mom. Mom is grown up, okay? Mom is considered as grown up, old person, okay?
Yes.
Next, are there any animals in the playground? Are there any animals in the playground?
Yes.
Are there any animals in the playground? Look at.
Yes.
Okay, what will be your answer? Are there any animals in the playground? Look at. Yes.
There
Again, yes.
There are 2 animals in the playground.
Very good, Chi. Okay. Yes, teacher. There are 2 animals in the playground. Yay! Okay. Here, what are they? What are those animals? They are
Who?
They are
They are running.
What are they? They are
They are running.
No, what are the animals? I mean, what are the animals? You said there are two animals. Okay,
yes,
what
yes.
are they? Yeah, go.
They are sheep and dog.
Okay. Okay, where is this one? The dog and the
The sheep,
where is
bird,
the sheep?
and
Where is
dog.
the sheep here? There is a bird here. There is a dog and what else? What is this? What is this? Looks like a sheep. Looks like a sheep. Okay, it runs. Do you think it's a pig? It runs. Okay. Do you think it's a pig? Looks like a pig, right? But of course, the feather looks like a sheep. Oh yeah. Okay. Another here. Okay, very good. A bird, a dog, and the two sheep. Very good. Where's the other sheep here? Oh, I haven't seen the sheep here. Okay, but maybe this one. This one maybe. Okay, very good. Okay, here, let's move. Okay, we will not listen this because this is listening test. All we have to do is just to follow the things after this. Okay, look at this one. Okay, look at she. Some of these words sound the same. Okay, some of these words sound the same. Some have the same letters, last letters too. Which words have the same letters at the end? Which words have the same letters at the end? Okay. Example, round, playground. Okay, another. Give me example. You pick here the same sound. Round, playground. Okay. Gucci. Okay, what do you think?
I think grade 8.
Okay, what else? First is round playground. What's the other? Great and
8.
very good. Great and at what else? Sam and Am. What else? What else?
3 and 3.
Three and number three. Three and tree. Three, number three and tree. Tree. Okay. Another.
Hat and hat.
Pat and hat. Pat and hat. Another.
Day and May.
Day and May. Very good. What else?
Run and fun.
Run and fun. Okay. Now here, I will show you the answer. Very good. 3 and 3. Pat and hat. Another. Day and May. Another. Run and fun. Another teacher. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. So these words have the same sound. You know what do we call this? Do you know the name of this? Chi, you know this? What do you call these words? The same sound. What do you call that words? We call it as, what do you call this word?
Yes.
What do you call? Do you know the name of the words? Do you know what do we call this? We call this as rhyming words. We call this as rhyming words. Okay? It's rhyming words. Okay?
Yeah.
Rhyming words. Rhyming words. We called it as rhyming words. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Rhyming words. Okay. Now here, now, so again, what do you call the words that has the same sound? What do you call? Can you read this, Chi?
R-
Rhyming.
rhyming was.
Again.
Rhyming was.
Very good. Rhyming words. We call it as rhyming words. Okay, very good. It's rhyming words. Okay. Now here, this one sheet. Okay. Here, look at this one. Can you think of more words that sound three, like three and three, like number three and three? Can you see? Can you think of a sound? Can you think of words? Can you think? Go, Chi. Number three and three. What do you think? Okay, tell me. Teacher is waiting.
I think
Okay.
I think I
What?
think number three and three is the was is the same
The same sound?
sound.
Okay, so look up this one. Teacher is asking Teacher Ann. Teacher Ann is asking, Chi, can you think of other words that sound like three and three? Can you think?
Yeah,
Okay, what is that?
it's the same.
Here, this one, you pick this one. Okay, here, sorry. Three and three? Can you pick here? You pick here, just pick here. That sound as three and three. Can you pick here, this one? Okay, what do you think? You pick here, just here. Go, Chi, you can do it.
Is I think is the is the same
With, it's the same
rhyming with
with,
be, he, me, P, C, C, and we.
Okay. So just pick only two pairs. Two pairs only. Two pairs. Two pairs. Like this. Okay, no. One pair, one pair. Like this. Three and three. Only one pair. Pick this. What do you think? What do you think? C or what is?
C
And
and
C. Do you think this one? Do you think this one, Chi?
yeah.
Yeah, it's C. As in C, I will see it. And the C. C, beach.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
C. See, I want to see a teacher in the sea, beach. Sea, sea. Okay, you understand, teacher Anne?
Yes.
Okay, next. Can you think of more words that sound like May and day?
I
May and day.
I can I, I can think is
What?
is the same is the same with play and say.
Very good. It is the same with another words that sound like may and day is play and say. Okay. You understand now? You understand, teacher? Yes,
Yes.
that's my girl. So, you know, what do we call this one? See and see, play and say, may and they, three and tree. What do we call these words? We call it as, what do you call? Teacher said it to you, right?
It's rhyming word.
Very good. It's rhyming words, teacher. Okay, you understand now? Here, teacher and ta-da-dang. I will erase this check for a while. I will erase this one. Okay. Okay. Take note. Be good at plus verb v plus ing. Okay. Lesson teacher. We use good at to, to, to talk about things that we do well. Okay. We use good at to talk things that we do well. We do well. Like we are good at example teacher. What are you good at? Chi? I am
Um
good at writing, teacher. Okay? You said you are good or you do well at writing. Do you understand, teacher Anne? You
yes.
understand me? Okay. So, again, we use the word here. We use the word good when you talk things that we do well. Like we do well. Okay. So you use the word good. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now here you will have to read and write names. Okay, you read and write the names. Example here, look at teacher. This is Sue. It's only the names. Okay, so, okay, can you read this? Watch us
Watch
moving.
us. We're moving. Jack's goose jumping. He's very, very great. And look as hopping
Hopping. It's not
on
hopping. Hop, hop, hopping.
as
Hopping.
hopping and square number 8. So skating now. See going run and run. And watch Sam skipping and our new playground. Dance, goose and dancing 1, 2, 3, and here pass and there's pass. He's funny. He's climbing out tree.
Okay.
Tom's very good at running. He runs so day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friends. May jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb, or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay. So they are moving. All of them are moving. Jack's good at jumping. And teacher Anne is good at hopping. Sue is good at skating. Sam is good at skipping. Dance is good at dancing. Pat is good at climbing. And Tom is good at running. Jill is good at
Walking and talking.
walking and talking. Okay, they are all of the children are moving. Okay, they are all moving. Do you understand, teacher? You understand me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, look at this one. Okay, we drew this already. Okay. Okay, now here, find the letters to spell the missing moving word. Find the letters to spell the missing moving word. Okay, can you find this? Okay, find the moving words. Underline them. Okay, what are those? Can you answer, Chi? Can you line? Okay, can you line like this? Walk. Can you line? Yeah, you do like this. You line. Put a line.
Yes.
Okay, go. You put a line. Okay, what do you think? You underline. Number 1 is walk. What the other here? Please try to underline. Another. Skate. Okay, what else? Jump. What else?
Hop.
Hop.
What
else?
Run.
Run. What else?
Skip. And dance.
Dance. Okay, so these are the moving words. Okay, these are the moving words. There are 7 more letters. What are the 7 more letters? Letter,
C,
letter C,
G,
letter D,
L,
G, L,
N,
M,
I,
I,
N,
N,
I.
I. So, which moving word can you spell with these letters? Which moving words can you spell with this letter? This one. It is it is climbing. Again, it is climbing. Okay. Okay. See? But there is no letter B here. Okay, the letter B is given. So it's climbing. This one is climbing. Do you understand how it becomes climbing? You understand, Che?
Yes.
Understand, Che? It's okay. You understand, teacher? How it becomes
Yes.
climbing? You understand, teacher Anne? Okay, next
Yes,
one
I
here.
understand.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Look at the picture. Chi, you look at the picture. You know how to write in the computer, right? You know how to write?
Yeah.
Okay. You write here in the computer, you write yes or no. You write yes or no, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Here, you write in the computer, this one. Put your answer here. Okay? Okay? Okay, Chi, done? Done?
Yes.
Okay, so number 1 here. A bluebird is sitting on the bike. Where is the bluebird here?
No.
No, teacher. The bluebird is here. No, it's here. Very good. Number 2, can you read it, Chi?
Someone is playing basketball.
Someone
No.
is playing basketball? No,
No.
teacher. Very good. Number 3.
One's parents is
Person.
holding
Person.
a
One person.
one's person is holding a round balloon.
Yes, it's here. Very good. Next, number 4.
The teacher is wearing a pair of red trousers.
The teacher is
Yes.
wearing a pair of red trousers. Yes, it's the teacher here. Number 5.
A boy is kicking a white football. No.
A boy is kicking a white football. No, it's no one is kicking the white football. Okay, another 6.
Three children are standing in a circle.
3 children are standing in a circle. 3. No, very good, Chi. Perfect, good job. Yes, no. There are how many children standing in a circle? How many? How many children are standing in a circle? How many? Okay, can you see them? There are how many? How many children?
Is
How many children are standing in a circle? There are?
there are
Look up, how many standing? This
one,
one, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Stand. Oh, this walking. Okay, this is only one standing. But children who are in the circle, many. There are many. Okay, many children, right? Right, Chi?
yes.
Yes. You understand this, Chi? You understand the activity? You understand? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now here. Now we have here about say and write. Okay. We have here, who do you play with you in your background? Who do you play with you in your playground?
I
I
play
play.
with my classmates.
I play with my classmates. Very good. Is your playground big or small?
Is big.
Okay. Is your playground big or small? It is
Is big playground.
big playground. Okay, another. Okay, where is it? Sorry. Okay, what are you good at, Chi? Okay, oh, what happened? What are you good at? You are good at what?
I'm good at
Can you sing? Can you dance? Can you sing? Can you dance?
skating.
Skating? and
and and skipping.
okay. You are good at skating and one more.
Skating and skipping.
Skating and skipping rope. Okay. Now tell me about your friend. What's your friend's name? What's your friend's name?
My friend's name is Lee.
Lee. Okay. How old is your friend? How old
My
is your friend?
my friend is 10 years old.
7 years old. What is your friend good at? What is your friend good at?
She is good at
She is good at
running and
running and
talking.
she's good at running and talking. Oh, very good. Okay. So you understand this sheet? You understand the lesson? You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So now I am happy that you have here. In here, teacher will give you a homework. Okay. I will not give you this one. I will give another homework about rhyming words. You have to give me 10 rhyming words. Okay? Like this. Do you understand the
Yeah.
rhyming words? Okay, the one I told you. Okay, here, what is it? The rhyming word. Do you still remember the rhyming words? This one? Tree, may, day. What else? Okay, this one. You have to give me 10 rhyming words, okay? In the homework, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So for now, Chi, do you question to teacher? No question?
No.
Do you like the lesson today? Do you like the lesson?
Yes.
Okay,
I
very
do.
good. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, for now, teacher Anne will say goodbye, Chi. See you on, what's day today? On when?
Not today.
Uh, see you on Saturday
Not
or
today.
Thursday? Thursday.
Not today.
We don't have, we have, wait, teacher. Yeah, see you on Saturday, teacher. Okay, bye-bye, Chi.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay.